Greetings and welcome. In this video, I am doing large size Empress braids using the same hair that I did my Cherokee braids with. I am using Style and Jam edge control on my hair to lay my hair down in the braid, and I am wearing the glove to protect my cuticles skin from the caniculon hair, which rips up my cuticles. This is my Empress braid technique that I like to use when I am adding extensions into my hair, and that is keeping my hair in one and not splitting my hair into three, and using the caniculon hair as the second and third piece, then hiding my hair in the caniculon hair or whatever hair I'm using once my hair is down to the ends. I do this by sharing the hair from the second and third piece of hair onto my hair and fanning that hair around my hair, keeping my hair in the center. While my hair is still straight, I chose to wear protective styles rather than just wearing my hair out and just loose. Now I'm going to be adding a little color for a little fun and pop. As you see, I chose to leave the hairband on my hair before wrapping the caniculon hair on, just to keep my hair together and more organized. Also, to protect my hair from any cutting that could occur. In my mind, it could, and I'm just being cautious. I really love doing styles with the caniculon hair, but I always end up taking it out really soon, really early, because the way it feels on my skin. I know these fibers can't be healthy. I mean, they itch and they feel like a plastic on your skin when you're braiding. That's why I'm wearing the glove once again. So yeah, to protect from any breakage, I'm being very gentle as I braid with this hair. For me, it's a quick fix to put my hair up in a cutish style for a few days before I have to touch it and deal with it. So that's why I continue to do it. So here, it is always fun to do my hair in a style of my dream length. Yes, nice, long, and beautiful. And I loved it. It lasted for a few days, and I cared for it just by greasing my scalp. And that's about it.